Best Pizza and Best Restaurant That Delivers. Those are just two of the best of titles Reginelli's Pizzas received over the years. And if you take a look at their new menu, you'll see some new Eat Fit approved items in between the many popular appetizers, salads, sandwiches, baked pastas, and hand-tossed and custom-made pizzas. With us today is the owner of Reginelli, Chef Darryl Reginelli, and Operations Manager Adam Carey. And they're here to prepare their fresh strawberry field salad. And of course, Eat Fit Nola Ambassador Lauren Hulin is also joining us. She's going to be talking about the new Eat Fit items at Reginelli's and why eating strawberries this time of year is a healthy and nutritious treat. Thank you all so much. I don't even know if anyone's watching us because they'll probably be all watching this. This is a beautiful display of all the wonderful food you brought today.
Well, thank you. That was a wonderful introduction.
Oh, my pleasure. We're so glad to have you here. The salad that you're going to prepare, tell us what exactly it is and what's in it.
So the strawberry field salad is going to be on mixed greens. Obviously, it's fresh Louisiana strawberries.
They look beautiful.
Yeah, they look great this time of year. This year, the batch has been particularly sweet too, so it's perfect for our purposes. It's got some prosciutto ribbons, burrata, candied pecans, and of course our homemade strawberry dressing, which is really sweet, nice, but also has a little bit of tart to it to make sure
citrus and everything added in there. And but we'll go ahead and we'll put all that together for you and start.
Yeah, Adam, start showing us how to put together. Okay. And Lauren, when you can, tell us a little about strawberries this time of year. Why they're so healthy for us, especially because they're in season.
Absolutely. Reginelli's just added this on their menu. Strawberries are really great. They have a lot of vitamin C and they're sweet. So you always want to try to, instead of doing all the added sugar, go with natural sugar. You get tons of vitamins, minerals, and little electrolytes to just help keep us hydrated, and you get that sweet treat as well.
And once you cut up these bad boys, what do you do with them?
You're cutting them up just to make sure that they can blend easier in your food processor. So I quartered them.
They smell sweet and yummy.
Oh, they're great. So I'm going to put the rest in.
And how many strawberries should you, if you're making this at home?
If you're doing this at home, you want about a pound. You know, in the restaurant, we sometimes go a little bit larger because we're going to do bigger batches, but you're doing about a pound.
We'll go ahead and we'll add a few of
some fresh orange juice.
Items.
Very nice.
And something about Reginelli's that I love is that they make all of their dressings in-house. So sometimes with dressings, you know, it can be hard because when you get store-bought, you really need to look at the nutrition facts label because a lot of times they have a lot of added sugar and added sodium, which you don't need all that salt.
You can pretend you're doing such a good job at lunch eating a salad with the wrong type of dressing. Forget it, right?
Exactly.
Like the sweetness in this comes from the honey. It's again natural, so we're, you know, not putting anything into it.
This is going to be delicious. You have honey, strawberries, orange juice, and vinegar.
And some lemon juice also, just for a little tartness.
I think it looks so great.
And then you're just going to finish it up with just a little bit of salt and pepper just to add that seasoning.
You know, the Eat Fit program, we've been doing it for about 5 years now, and it has kind of changed a little bit of the direction of how we think when we're developing items. So it's been a healthy partnership.
Absolutely.
I guess that's what you're looking for. So, I mean, yes, it's been a healthy partnership, and it has had us really rethink about like when we develop menu items and all.
So the last bit was olive oil, just to thicken it up a little bit.
So you would really emulsify it all, and it comes out to this really creamy puree that's emulsified.
Looks fantastic.
So we'll go ahead and put all the greens
Do you recommend
together?
when you do blend it for a couple minutes until it gets to be that consistency?
You want to run it until it has this consistency.
That looks great. And that's the official dressing for the salad?
Yes.
And what greens do you usually use?
We use mixed greens on the salad. So
like a field green mix?
Yeah, field greens.
That looks lovely.
You can find it at any grocery store. And so for Eat Fit, some of the, you know, to make sure that it meets all the proper requirements, we're not really loading on a bunch of dressing. We're making sure that it's, you know, meets the requirements. So this is going to be about, you know, 1 ounce, just to make sure it coats lightly, you get it, but again, this doesn't really, you know, smother it.
Yeah, absolutely.
It looks like it could be a good dipping sauce too, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah.
It does, it does.
You can put it on ice cream, anything.
And a lot of times the dressing, some people just overdo it, but really you just want to lightly coat, and then you can actually taste all the different flavors that are going in there.
I gotcha. And you were talking, Darryl, about Eat Fit. I can only imagine with the popularity of the program that there's actually demand for it. I'm sure you've had customers come in say, you know, do you have any Eat Fit approved items?
Absolutely. Now, I believe we have 8 Eat Fit approved items, of menu items that can be either altered or ones that are just on the menu that are Eat Fit approved.
Talk about a healthy portion. This looks like a salad you need to take home as well. You put a couple of extra things on top of it?
Yeah, we have ribbons of prosciutto. He put in some more the strawberries and the lettuce that was tossed in the dressing. And then here we're going to add the toppings to it, which is
Candied
pecans. Just a little bit of candied pecans in there that add a little nice crunch and that little sweet and sour kind of combination going with the dressing, a little salt and pepper on top of the burrata.
Wow.
And we have it.
Darryl, and I can't let you all go without telling us a little about this guy over here. I hear Reginelli's has this reserve collection, 3 types of wine, that you actually created this product line with Commander's Palace. How did that even happen?
Well, Dan Davis is the wine guy at Commander's, and he's very highly known throughout the industry and well respected, all kinds of awards. And obviously he put together a fantastic cellar for them. T. Martin offered his services to us, and he got us in connection with this winery, and we do our own private labeling, design all the labels, a couple of different labels for each of the vintages. And it's really been a fantastic thing. The wine drinks very easily, and it's great pizza wine, but Eat Fit approved, I believe. So I think, everything in moderation. But yes, we're really happy and excited about the wine.
Well, I mean, you have 8 locations in New Orleans, 1 in Baton Rouge. When you started this Reginelli's empire, did you ever think you'd also have your own line of wine? I mean, that's pretty impressive.
No, the only thing left to do now is go squash the grapes. I would love to run around and
We'll have you on for another show to do that, just that. Quickly tell us how people can find out more about Reginelli's.
You can go to reginellis.com. Reginelli's is on Instagram, Facebook. We have a Twitter account, and we're active all the time, so come on.
And
order online too.
Order online. When you go on your website, that's all you see. Easy ways to order online.
Yeah, it's really
And
easy.
Lauren, tell us about Eat Fit Nola. How can people find out more about that?
Absolutely. So eatfitnola.com, and then we also have a free Eat Fit app that has all the nutrition facts for everything you see on here.
And we're also going to be posting some recipes on our Facebook page and at communityhealthheroes.org. Thank you all so much. This display was wonderful. The demonstration was great, and it smells delicious. And I have a feeling a lot of people want to take a bite of this in just a few moments. We'll be right back.